Hello and welcome to create a virtual machine in ESXi host. To create a virtual machine in ESXi host, first log into your ESXi host user and password. Click on create and register VM, new virtual machine and press next. Click settings, name, I want to install in here an Ubuntu server. Compatibility version Esxi 7 is okay. Guest family, we want to install Linux. Guest version is Linux 64. Press next. Choose the data store next. This is the important part of creating a virtual machine to configure the virtual hardware like CPU, hard disk and network. I want to have two virtual CPUs, 4 gig RAM, 16 gig hard disk is enough, and one important part is network adapter. Choose the I have server network interface card that I want to connect this to servers. CD DVD, choose and upload the image of the operating system that you want to install. I uploaded earlier my Ubuntu server 24.04 version. If you didn't upload, you can upload from here, upload, and select the destination that I uploaded in the image earlier. I want to choose Ubuntu 24 and select next. In here, review your setting on the summary page, and if it's okay, after that you can press finish. Your virtual machine created in virtual machine tab, Ubuntu server that we created earlier. Now you can install this virtual machine. Power on this virtual machine. Click this, that this page become big. You can install. I want to install this virtual machine.